Good afternoon, everyone. The class SYBSC paper number first, that is animal diversity third. In that animal diversity third, we discussed our last chapter, that is chapter number 6, study of Scoliodon. In that Scoliodon, the next system we are going to study about female urinogenital system. In last lecture we see the male urinogenital system. After that we move to the female urinogenital system. Urinogenital system is the union or both systems are united to each other, that is excretory system and reproductive system. So that's why the system is known as urinogenital system. The urinogenital system of female is typically of unamniotes. In that system, first part is excretory part and next part is reproductive part. So firstly we are discussed about excretory part. The excretory part of the system includes a pair of kidney, pair of Wolffian duct and urinary sinus. Means in that, as like male, kidney, Wolffian, pair of Wolffian duct, means two kidneys and two Wolffian ducts are present and a single urinary sinus is generated. First part is kidney. The kidney occupy the same position as in the male. मेलमध्ये ज्या पोझिशनमध्ये किडनी होती त्याच पोझिशनमध्ये फिमेलमध्ये सुद्धा आढळून येते. अँड दे आर हाऊ इवर रिलेटिव्हली शॉर्ट sorry relatively short, and their anterior parts are extremely reduced. There is no communication between the kidney and the gonads. The uriniferous tubules from the posterior functional part of each kidney opens into the mesonephric or Wolffian duct. Kidney is next generated into or emerged into the next part of excretory system is Wolffian duct. The Wolffian duct run backwards on the ventral surface of the kidney and joins to form a single medial duct. Latter opens into the urinary papilla. The second part, last part in excretory part is urinary sinus. The urinary sinus is a large median sac at the end of the body cavity, and it due to the its present in the end of the body, it opens into the cloaca by an aperture on a elevation called as urinary papilla, and the cloaca is the last part of excretory system. After that, next part of this female urinogenital system is reproductive part. The reproductive or genital part comprises a pair of ovaries, pair of oviduct, shell gland and a pair of uteri. First is ovaries. Pair of ovaries is present, means two ovaries are present. The female reproductive organ is ovaries and it includes a pair of ovary, means two numbers are present. The ovaries are lobulated bodies situated one on either side of the vertebral column and just behind the base of the liver. Each ovary is suspended from the dorsal body wall by the double fold of peritoneum. Double fold means double layer of peritoneum is present, and this is called as mesovarium. Their form and the size vary with the age, but both ovaries are connected with anterior end of the rectal gland by the long strand, and the long strand is epigonal organs. Beside the eggs, ovaries produced female sex organ, that is estrogen. Next is oviduct. The two oviducts or Mullerian ducts extended from the septum transversum to the end of the body cavity, and they are white, thick walled, muscular and uncoiled. In the front of the ovaries, the oviduct converge and unite in the median line, enclosing a slit-like aperture. This is called as ostium tube between the oviducal funnel. Behind the ovaries, the oviducts curve towards the median line, slightly enlarged to form the shell gland or oviducal gland, and in which sperms are stored during the copulation. The shell gland secretes albumin and shell around the egg. The posterior functional region of the kidneys, the oviducts are much expanded to the from uteri for the development of the embryos. During the breeding season, the uteri become greatly extended. Posteriorly, the two uteri join and form a short median chamber which is called as vagina. The vagina opens into the cloaca by a wide aperture which is guarded by a wall and that closes when embryos are developing in the uterus. This is the diagram. This is all about the female reproductive system, the excretory system, in that kidney Wolffian duct present in the form of pear, and the urinary sinus which extends into the cloaca is present. After that, the reproductive part consists ovaries, oviduct, and pair of ovaries are present. This is all about the female urinogenital system. In next part we discuss the yolk sac placenta. इथे थांबूयात आपण. थँक्यू.